Ray-Ban Meta glasses are already smart, but these 5 accessories can make them even more useful, more comfortable, and maybe even last almost forever. Most people buy the glasses, use the built-in case, and stop there. But the truth is, Ray-Ban Meta still has a few everyday problems. The battery can run out faster than you want. The glasses can slide down your face. The original case is not always the most convenient. And sometimes, you just want your glasses to look a little more personal. So in this video, we are checking out 5 new Ray-Ban Meta accessories that can actually change how you use them. Some are simple, like upgraded lenses and better nose pads. Some are more interesting, like LED blockers and a 3-in-1 charging system. And one accessory might be the closest thing to giving your Ray-Ban Meta glasses almost infinite battery life. You're watching Quincy Gadgets, where we find the smartest gadgets before everyone else. Let's jump in. Number 5. Ray Replacement Lenses. This first accessory is simple, but it can change the look of your Ray-Ban Meta glasses right away. It does not make the glasses smarter, and it does not add AI, extra battery, or a new feature. But it does make them feel more personal. And when a gadget sits directly on your face, style matters. Ray replacement lenses are made for people who want a fresh look without buying another pair of Ray-Ban Meta glasses. You can swap the original lenses for new colors like mirrored green or wine red. The mirrored green lenses are the most eye-catching. They give the glasses a bold sunglass look, while still feeling clean and premium. The wine red lenses feel darker, smoother, and a little more stylish. The lenses also have good clarity, so they are not just about color. They still feel practical for daily use. The brand also highlights an eco-friendly angle, which is a nice extra touch. Of course, there are a few things to know. Not everyone will feel confident removing lenses from expensive smart glasses. You also need to choose the right lens model for your Ray-Ban Meta frame. But if you want a quick style upgrade, this is an easy place to start. But looks are only one part of the Ray-Ban Meta experience. The next accessory is much smaller, but a lot more controversial. Number 4. LED blockers for Meta glasses. This next accessory is tiny, but it is probably the most controversial one on this list. LED blockers are small adhesive pieces that attach near the LED light on Ray-Ban Meta glasses. The idea is simple. You can slide the blocker up or down, depending on whether you want the LED area covered or visible. Now, this is not an accessory for spying on people. It is more about having physical control over what is visible on your own glasses. Privacy matters, but so does respecting other people's privacy. So this is something that should be used carefully and responsibly. The good thing is that these blockers are small, cheap, and easy to attach. Some versions also come with extra pieces, so you have backups if one gets lost or damaged. And because they are low profile, your Ray-Ban Meta glasses can still fit inside the original case. But there are some limits. In many cases, the LED needs to be visible when you start recording or taking a photo. The blocker can also look a little noticeable on the frame. And since accessories like this can sell out or disappear from marketplaces quickly, availability may not always be reliable. Now, the next accessory is not about privacy or style. It fixes one of the biggest everyday problems with Ray-Ban Meta glasses: comfort. Number 3. Highlocks adjustable nose pads. Ray-Ban Meta is smart, but the fit is not perfect for everyone. And if you wear these glasses for a long time, you probably know the problem. They can slowly slide down your nose, especially when you are walking, moving around, or wearing them outside. That is where Highlocks adjustable nose pads come in. This is a simple add-on that clips onto your Ray-Ban Meta glasses and gives them a more secure fit. It comes with 2 sizes, medium and large, so you can choose the one that works better for your face. The nose pads are also adjustable, which means you can adjust them slightly to match your nose shape better. The best part is that installation is very easy. You do not need any special tools. You just clip it on, adjust the pads, and the glasses feel much more stable. And when you need to put the glasses back into the charging case, you can fold or push the nose pads up so they still fit. Of course, it may make the glasses look a little less clean. And you may need to adjust the pads again when putting them back into the case. But for daily comfort, this is one of the most practical upgrades here. And while we are talking about keeping the glasses secure on your face, here is one small bonus accessory that could save you from a very expensive mistake. Before we move to the two biggest charging accessories, here's a small bonus pick. An anti-lost strap for Ray-Ban Meta. If the Highlocks nose pads help keep your Ray-Ban Meta glasses more stable on your face, an anti-lost strap gives you one more layer of protection. And that matters because Ray-Ban Meta glasses are not cheap. One bad drop on the street, at the airport, or during a trip could turn into a very expensive mistake. This strap is simple. You attach it to the ends of the glasses, and if the glasses slip off, they do not fall straight to the ground. They just hang around your neck. It is especially useful if you are walking outside, filming, traveling, biking, or taking your glasses on and off all day. Of course, this is not the coolest looking accessory. It can make the glasses look a little less clean. But as a bonus accessory, it makes sense because it is cheap, practical, and easy to use. Now that comfort and safety are covered, let's talk about the real weakness of smart glasses: battery life. Number 2. BoboVR 3-in-1 Charging Dock. At first, this looks like a normal desk charger for your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. But it is actually much more than that. It is like a mini charging system built just for people who use their smart glasses all day. You can place it on your desk and use it as a clean charging dock. When you are at home, your glasses have a proper place to sit and charge. But the clever part is that the charging piece can detach and become a portable battery. It has a 350 mAh battery inside, which can give your Ray-Ban Meta about 2 extra charges. That means around 16 extra hours for Gen 2, or around 8 to 12 extra hours for Gen 1. It also comes with a sleeve-style carrying case, so you can bring it with you and attach it to a backpack, strap, or belt. And because it supports USB-C pass-through charging, you can charge the battery and the glasses at the same time. The design also feels more premium than a cheap plastic accessory. But it is bigger than the original case, and not everyone needs all 3 modes. But even this 3-in-1 charger still has one limitation. You normally charge the glasses when you are not using them. The final accessory changes that completely. Number 1. PrismXR Carina C2 Infinite Battery Charger. This is the accessory that changes the battery problem in the biggest way. Instead of charging your Ray-Ban Meta glasses only when they are sitting in a case, this lets you charge them while you are still wearing them. The idea is pretty clever. A very thin adapter attaches to the frame of your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Then, when the battery gets low, you can snap a small magnetic battery onto the side. It connects quickly, and your glasses can keep running without needing to be taken off. That is the big reason this accessory feels so powerful. With a normal charging case, you have to stop using the glasses. But with this setup, you can keep recording, listening, taking calls, or using Meta AI while the battery is being extended. It also comes with rechargeable batteries, so you can swap them when needed. And the best part is that the glasses do not have to turn off when you change batteries. Of course, this is not for everyone. You do have to attach something to the frame, so the glasses may look a little less original. But if you use Ray-Ban Meta every day, this might be the most important accessory on the list. So those are 5 Ray-Ban Meta accessories that can change how you use your smart glasses. The Ray lenses give them a fresh new style. The LED blockers give you more physical control over what is visible on your glasses. The Highlocks nose pads make the fit more secure and more comfortable. The BoboVR 3-in-1 charger makes charging more flexible at home or on the go. And the PrismXR Carina C2 makes Ray-Ban Meta feel much closer to an all-day device. Now I want to know, if you could only pick one accessory, which one are you choosing? Links to the accessories are in the description. If you want more smart glasses, AI gadgets, and hidden tech that actually makes life easier, subscribe to Quincy Gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
We're a small team finding the best gadgets for you every week. Hit subscribe, and thanks for being here. See you next time.